Hello friends, welcome back to my lecture on third part of Python fundamentals. In my last lecture, I have explained in detail about different types of Python literals and operators like arithmetic, relational, logical and so on. But I did not discuss about another very different type of Python operator, and that is bitwise operators. In this lecture, I am going to explain all types of Python bitwise operators. First, let us know what are bitwise operators. Bitwise operators are used to perform bitwise calculations on integers. The integers are first converted into binary form and then operations are performed on bit by bit, hence the name bitwise operators. The result of bitwise operation is returned in decimal format. Now, here are the various bitwise operators which are supported by Python. Number 1, bitwise AND, then bitwise OR, bitwise NOT, bitwise XOR, that is exclusive OR, bitwise left shift and bitwise right shift. Now we are going to learn bitwise operators one by one. First we have bitwise AND operator. What is bitwise AND? It returns 1 if both the bits are 1, else 0. For example, we can see, say for example a equal 10 in integer which is equivalent to 1010 in binary. Similarly b is equal to 4 in integer which is equivalent to 0100 in binary. When we do bitwise AND operation between A and B, we get the result 0000 which is equivalent to 0 in decimal. How this operation is performed? Bit by bit operation is done between each bit of A and B, and wherever both the bits are 1, it returns 1, otherwise 0. So hence we get the result 0000. Next we have bitwise OR operator. Let us see what is this. It returns 1 if either of the bit is 1, else 0. So that is the difference between bitwise AND and bitwise OR. We have an example. A equal 10 in integer which is equivalent to 1010 in binary again. Similarly, b equal 4 in integer which is equivalent to 0100 in binary. If we do bitwise OR operation, we get 1110 which is equivalent to 14 in decimal. So here we can see the operation bitwise OR is done between A and B, and it returned 1 if either of the bit is 1, otherwise 0. We have now bitwise NOT operator, which is also known as complement operator. The symbol is known as tilde. What is complement? Let us see. Complement of 0 is 1 and complement of 1 is 0. What is bitwise NOT operator then? It returns 1's complement of the number. For example, we have a equal 10 in integer which is equivalent to 1010 in binary. So complement of a, we have the negative number 1010 which will be added with 1. So we get minus 1011 which is equivalent to minus 11 in decimal. Now we have bitwise XOR, that is exclusive OR operator. It returns 1 if one of the bits is 1 and the other is 0, else it returns false. We can see the example here. a equal 10 in integer, which is equivalent to 1010 in binary. We have b is equal to 4 in integer, which is equivalent to 0100 in binary. So if we do the bitwise exclusive OR operation, we get 1110, which is equivalent to 14 in decimal. Next we have bitwise operators, that is shift operators. There are two types of bitwise shift operators, left shift and right shift. What are these operators? Shift operators are used to shift the bits of a number left to right, thereby multiplying or dividing the number by 2 respectively. They can be used when we have to multiply or divide a number by 2. Let us see what is bitwise right shift operator. It shifts the bits of the number to the right and fills 0 on empty spaces left as a result. Fills 1 in case of a negative number. For example, we can see here a is equal to 10 in integer, which is equivalent to 00001010 in 8-bit binary form. If we shift a towards right for 1 position, then we get 00000100. So on the leftmost side, the empty space is replaced by 0. So we get 5 in decimal. We can see another example here. We have b is equal to minus 10, the negative number, which is equivalent to 11110110 in binary. If we implement bitwise right shift operator, then we get 11111011. So on the left hand side, it is replaced by 1, which is equivalent to minus 5. Now we have bitwise left shift operators. What are left shift operators? Shifts the bits of the number to the left and fills 0 on empty spaces right as a result, and fills 1 in case of a negative number. For example, we can see we have a equal 5 in integer, which is equivalent to 00000101 in 8-bit binary. If we shift towards left for 1 position, we get 00001010, which is equivalent to 10 in decimal. And if we shift for 2 places, we get 00010100, which is equivalent to 20 in decimal. So in the first case, we see that we replace 0 on the right hand side in one place, and in the second case we can see we are replacing the empty 2 spaces by 2 zeros on the right hand side. Similarly, we can have example for negative number. We have b equal minus 10 in integer, which is equivalent to 11110110 in binary. If we shift towards left for 1 place, we get 11101100, that is equivalent to minus 20 in decimal. And if we shift for 2 places, we get 11011000, that is equivalent to minus 40 in binary. So we can see in the first place, on the right hand side, 1 empty space is replaced by 1 0. In the second case, on 2 places, it is replaced by 2 zeros. So that's all about bitwise operators. We have learned in this video all 6 Python bitwise operators. Okay friends, thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel Amrita's World. Click on the bell icon and of course do not forget to like my channel. Thank you.